How to use Circle to Search on Android. This tutorial shows you how to search anything on your screen without switching apps. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on the search bar at the top. From there, type in Circle to Search. At this point, tap on the Circle to Search result. In the next step, toggle it on. Following this, exit Settings and open any app, like a browser or social media. Once done, long press on your navigation handle or home button to activate Circle to Search. From here, a colorful animation appears at the bottom, letting you know it's ready. At this stage, circle, scribble, or tap on whatever you want to search, like an image, text, or product. Keep in mind, you can also add extra text in the search bar to refine your results, or use 2 fingers to zoom and pan across the selected area. Finally, swipe up on the results shown at the bottom to see more details, or tap outside to close the feature. And that's it. If this guide helped you use Circle to Search on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.